This is the Arrowhead Brass PK2014SP stem kit for the 420 series faucet. So if we get this out of the packaging here, you'll see the package comes with, of course, the complete stem. Now this stem is the PK2014, so it is for the 14-inch wall thickness. Now the SP in the part number is for, which means this part would be for the pre-1999 faucets. So we'll go ahead and try to take a couple measurements of the complete stem here. We'll lay it this way so it's easier to get a measurement. Just keep in mind when measuring these stems, it's always important to make sure this springless piece here is pushed all the way into that body of the stem. We'll go ahead and lay it out and get a measurement here from tip to tip. So you can see it's right over the edge of the end of the ruler here. So you could say it probably measures right at about 18 and a quarter. Now the package will also come with a short little list of instructions here at the bottom. Once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK2014SP stem kit.